This song is sung by a Korean world star who also sang Gangnam Style. We all know who it is. It's our world star, Psy. Hello ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and our usual judges. Welcome to our annual spring speech contest. My name is Ethan, and today my topic is Psy. Who is Psy? Psy is fluffy, chubby, short-legged, stubby armed person. And to most of us, he looks funny. He was born on 1977, December 31st. His hobbies are dancing and talking English, which really doesn't fit into his character. His middle name is Jae-sung Park, also known as Psy, which means psycho. A few years ago, when he had to go to the army, he had some trouble deciding whether it was legal or illegal to not go to the army. But sadly, the court said it was legal wrap-up, so he had to go to the army back again. Secondly, if I think of Psy, the first thing comes in my mind is his song Gangnam Style, which made a world-breaking record of 1.5 billion views on YouTube. It broke Justin Bieber's record of 800 million views of Baby. However, one of my favorite songs are PSY and Champion. On the other hand, his first album is Psy in the Psycho World, which is okay, but not as good as my favorite. Now his newest song called Gentleman and his music video made a record, broke a YouTube of fastest 100 million views on YouTube, beating all Canadians and American singers. Lastly, Psy has become a world star because of his famous hit song. However, before his song Gangnam Style, he was a nobody. He was just a guy who was active and free spirit at concerts. However, after publishing Gangnam Style, he became a world legend, spreading swag all over Korea. He made friends with other legendary singers such as Justin Bieber and Jennifer Lopez. From all those millions of views on YouTube, he has become a millionaire. So Psy is a wonderful, funny-looking Korean who has become a legend. If you go to Psy's concert, when you get back, you will weigh 10 kilograms less because he will make you jump, scream, and even run. From his awesomeness and his effort, I like him as a fan, admire him as an audience. Thank you for listening to my speech, and